when the road gets dark and you can no longer see, just let my love throw a spark and have a little faith in me. When the tears you cry are all you can believe, just give these loving arms a try, baby, and have a little faith in me, and have a little faith in me. Faith in me, and have a little faith in me, and have a little faith in me. When you're a secret of heart, you cannot speak so easily. From a whisper start to have a little faith in me. And when your back's against the wall, just turn around and you will see. I will catch you fall, baby. Just have a little faith in me, and 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 have a little faith in me. I've been loving you for such a long time, girl, expecting nothing in return, just for you to have a little faith in me. You see, time is our friend, 'cause for us there is no end, and all you gotta do is have a little faith in me. I said, I will hold you up, I will hold you up, and you love, give me strength enough, so have a little faith in me. I said, hey, hey, all you gotta do for me, girl, is have a little bit of faith in me. I said, the sun comes up and you stare your cup of coffee up right through the kitchen floor. You feel like hell, so you might as well get out and sell your smart ass door to door. And the missus wears her robe slightly undone as your daughter dumps her oatmeal on your son. Just like your dad did, just like your dad did. So you go to work just to watch some jerk pick up the perks you were in line to get. And the guy that hired you just got fired and your job's expired, they just ain't told you yet. So you go and buy a brand new set of just to show your family just how great you feel. Acting like a kid, toast. Now if you don't get your slice of the roast, you're gonna flip your lid, just like your dad did, just like your dad did. Well, the day was long now, supper's on and the thrill is gone, but something's taking place. Yeah, the food is cold and your wife feels old, but all hands fold as the 2-year-old says grace. She says, help the starving children to get well, but let my brother's hamster burn in hell. You love your wife and kids just like your dad.